Today is weekend, but we're still at the office. Shao. We're still at the office. Shao. Still doing what we love to do. And today is a wonderful Saturday morning, and everywhere is cool. Thank you for joining. Well, welcome. Family and friends. Did I monetize? Okay. True color. True color. True color. All right. Let me check it, please. Kind of OBS. OBS.
Okay. Shafona.
It's like they have it on phone. OBS controller. Not screen recorder. Thank you guys for joining. Good morning to you. Oh, good afternoon. It's not morning. Media Stream Studio.
This was one screen recorder.
No, I have screen recorder on mine already.
Screen recorder, yeah. Follow command.
So, guys, today is Saturday morning, afternoon, and see you at the office in the morning. And sometimes I just always come here to have a nice time with my followers, my subscribers. Yeah, you get to know me, I get to know you. And if you're just joining me here for the first time, and it would be nice if you just indicate where you're where you're watching from. It's weekend, and some of us we are still at home, some of us are at the office, some of us were in the church doing one or two, but we were in the office still doing one or two, and it's part of life. I just dropped a new video of me traveling from Lagos to Benue State. It was a night journey. Yeah, I left Lagos around 9 a.m. Then I got to Benue about 9 p.m. I left Lagos around 9 p.m. I got to Benue about 11 a.m. So that was like a 15 hours journey and driving throughout the night. And if you want to watch the video, you can just check below and then you see the video. You can watch it, how night journey is. Because it's not everybody that will travel at night. It's not easy to travel at night. Night journey is really scary, and you face a lot of things. You don't know what is in front of you, going to the road, and I think I will appreciate our Nigerian police and then the army. They were still on the road, around 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. They were still on the road. And it was quiet. Everywhere was quiet. It was crazy. At a point, I was scared, but I have to do it. But it was a good experience, yeah. But the challenge was there. I could not sit proper, so it was stressful. I have to sit. All those buses, you see their chair will be like this. This is a full chair. They will cut it here. So if you lean your back like this, your head will not rest well, so you have to, it looks so stressful, but we have to do it, and it was a nice experience. So if you want to watch the video, just check my latest video that I've just uploaded, and then you watch and see what I experienced. I would have loved to use sounds from the live sound, but the problem I had was the driver was playing some music. And now, if I leave the music, then we will have copyright problems. So if you're here watching me, let me know where you're watching me from, and Let me know what you think about this channel. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe. If you are old, please do not forget to share. If you are old, please do not forget to comment and let's know where you're watching me from. I have a lot of people watching me here, but I don't know where and where they're watching me from. Sometimes it's always good to just write it down. Hello, I'm watching you from so please. And that is nice. And like I said, we have a lot of content that pile up to come to this wonderful, lovely Benue Family TV channel. And when we're ready, you see, hopefully next 2 weeks we'll start uploading them, and then you see how it goes. And I'm going to visit some. I'll go to orange farm, go to rice farm, okra farm, mango farm, and PS farm, and I'll visit so many places to bring to you good quality and beautiful videos, because for you to have the experience to see what those farmers go through before they bring these raw materials to us to consume. And a lot of people, they eat mango, they don't know where mango is coming from. They don't know how a tree of mango looks like. They feel like maybe mango just came from heaven. So those are the kind of videos that we're going to be doing to, you know, make you guys happy and see it. And it's not easy. Making videos is easy, but not easy. And especially when you want to make quality videos, yeah. If you want to make quality videos, you have to travel from somewhere to somewhere, and that is money. And when you go to some places, you need to settle people to at least allow you to make the video in peace. So you need to settle people, look around, and like now, video I want to do, I'm going to travel from some local government in my state, and then I will even go to Orange Farm where they have big large of orange farm. Is it orange plantation? No, it's not plantation. It's a farm. Yeah. So I'll go to that.
The orchard.
Orange orchard. I have an English grammar person here. So, hello India. How are you? How you doing, bro? How you doing today? Charlie Vlogs. Okay, let me subscribe to your channel. So I'll go to a big orange orchard and then see how they started and how they are going with their production. So it's going to take me some days before I'll release the videos, and it's going to be fine. And sometimes it's good to explore what we have around us for people to see. And thank you for joining me and India Charlie Vlogs. So I will check your channel, then subscribe. So sometimes you need to travel to get some content that people will love to watch, and me to showcase the beauty of Africa. And after that, then I'll start showcasing the beauty of the world. So we have beautiful things here in Africa that a lot of people don't know about. But if you don't showcase what you have, nobody will see it. And as you're there watching me, if you don't showcase what you have in your country, nobody will know what you have. And sometimes we praise other people that, oh, they have this, they have that, not knowing that we too, we have the same thing. Well, I have about 21 people watching me right now. So please, thank you so much for joining, and do not forget to share this video. You know, do not forget to subscribe. If you like this channel, subscribe. But if you don't like it, just watch me and go your way. And if you feel like you want to support this channel, take the membership form, and then you'll be part of the big time members of this wonderful channel, Benue Family TV. So share this video, subscribe, comment, let me know where you're watching me from. All right. So at times, if we don't show what we have, nobody will see it. And sometimes we prefer telling other people's stories than the one that we have. And we have beautiful story around the world. Wherever we are, if you're in South Africa, Ghana, Kenya, anywhere, India, anywhere you are, you have good story that you can tell, that people can see them and then appreciate you. Because if you don't show us, we don't know whether you have something like that. So to me, I would say tell your story if you're a YouTuber, and let's see how the result will come out. And for me, I like telling my African story and then the beauty and what we have in Africa. Africa is a beautiful place, and if you're not here, you're missing out. So, morning, sir. Okay. So, Indiana, this is your channel, so I'm going to subscribe. So this is it, right? Yes. So I'm going to subscribe to your channel. So if you're a YouTuber, if you're here, just drop your channel. Let me just subscribe to your channel. But if you're not serious with the YouTube, I don't need to subscribe. So let me see the kind of video you make. But you know, this one is just for the other YouTubers that at least producing different kind of content, and sometimes it's always good for us to have a niche where we want to do our video and who we want to reach out to. So that is it. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sudawa. Over Senya.
Some common ground.
Person common ground in the ground. So you'll be going on that, yeah, you quadre.
Not so long or Voga. Doga chair. Hold up a back in the yard. I come with community university about in oh,
it's wrong now. Look at Shamaga. Because
that's so because we don't want to this to
you're my mimiga.
you buy your I'm a class when I had when you do my level.
No, it's Moya Manati, no quite. You have also over here. Me this first week, we win my way here. Cannot young pushing behind that time. But remember in the young, no, but waiting when you're for bed or listen. Yam borrow yam by moving out and I'm yanaga. I know got something, you know, come a year at Toga. But we're on a soap by ya. I want to come back fun.
Kind of a thing is that
Moya Shimba Yira all of you, Yamo. No, no, because yeah, well, Kenya be a man now, or no.
Yana can be here. Jam deeper. Back of us on the Kibin. I'm not man. She had one and one and I would plan in the car with a man. Mom, nobody brought me in. Nobody brought me in. I'm a commissioner of works. I'm a bacteria. I'm a one of my brother. One of the take your dinner. Young, you met us that day. Engineer Jude. The county chairman of Value. Why? The chairman of Value was around on the last day, on the day of the event.
Cool. What talk I change him?
In fact, few days ago, brother Yaka Kwane, I only. At you can move. I am going to talk one name Chish Yamima. Nyambe, Manta Bahana Yabada. So we choke on her. I come call her like a quabo. I will have a man called Busha. We fire look while her. Those thank you.
No,
My man, nigga, does like.
Tell who are you now?
Imekuwa na muda ambao tulistudy. Imesoma studio. No,
Internet,
Nama internet.
Tananga. Siz nyenje. Internet from
I will murder you with one. I don't know.
What's the result for the Maya? Hello. Yeah, Chief, what does it? Yes. I'm in school myself now.
Okay, we are
I went to where they are loading the block. I just came into the building.
Congratulations. You have a first bank credit loan
It's
offer
alright.
waiting for you. That's blah blah blah.
This one I will enjoy.
Wonder. I'm gonna go bank in Germany.
This one I will come bank or now go. How much you are borrowing from Access Bank? Pack, 50,000. Wow, that's what I mean. She yak like I owe in bank 50,000. Young go
Can you be?
Young go loan Friday. Kaune kalon around the town through weekend. So go keep 3 months. And go back loan now on a Friday, mark with Tuesday.
When it came.
Kibi Zangel. Young account now, so that account now, you're dealing me. Young around the 50,000 of Ghana. Here we do that. And we can't question that do. It's a ban. Young again, she goes out a check account balance, she negative 50,000.
She's a
She
do.
do. Actually, how much you get a vehicle? Shut you. I'm younger than Quave, yeah. Younger you who rushing because I love you to talk or you, Kushima. Oh, so younger way kisses being by young all. Ilumba case mbaka buchi we no nyare. So yo magani ibe kwa we yangi bela poko pa yan lo lama go lo gani na lo na nyare na lo no ga lo zo na shafo. So oni yangi be ya lo wo lo nyare na ba be ya instead of trace family na onda na nyare ma o man as snake na da work account na. Hello, young bank account aside.
Okay, wait to my teacher.
You not gonna.
Hey, you buy it in a hand catch you. Alagabe Kimchi Chaga.
At least we walk conscious.
Right now, but we're gonna go on location and he can power father. Olugana ngo. Ola barista Okuma. Aji Okuma chi can't be on ya or Ajiba Oji Bandit versus Benue State. Yaoji Bandit about Benue State government G 800 million. Everyone be on ya or Gila from the beginning to the end. Yanke Wilson by year round with the Mela is set to 400 million. As the now instrumentally. Illuminicane ina o ninyale be. Raka and Jama ye what do a cook only yam moto. Yenda now kuma yam Highlander bagane you can do but same man and the young Highlander quite 11 million. That now kuma she that dog kuma moto gun yam now solo. Ola now Jama quaga zanza and Jama capu. Okuma now quaga zanza capu. A beer bay that you could hit the jig. The end also of my granny. But I be can go in a hand say, much and my young young tap get in the car.
Catch you.
Young again shortly, I think a week before we could yakula. You to my heart table, she mother knew home. Can you call the Yancha? When I put her, you babble the first book of Babango who kills 5. Now, more on the quala.
I did not kill and do your work for your number. Technically sound people here. Window black by a mass man, 10 o'clock on my acre.
Okay, window by
I will have one. Quando do you
come, yeah, like 20 to 30 minutes now, boom, like, fun.
Yeah, you really.
You,
That's serious. Yeah, I never record it back now.
Hey.
Okay, I'll get ready and we'll record. So,
Not Jacob never hang on a pin a quaga. But you know, be a
Kai, remember I will not to cook. You know, I'm not to come in Uganda and Calamina.
No, okay, you're gonna not you're gonna not you. Shall get on. Only Monaco, just 25,000. It's we're gonna eat a move on here, girl. African and Bay Not tomorrow, and Bay Maga really names like that. Wait, and Kwana Halagana. Wo Yanyara Kumakumako, Mom Bomb, who no, no.
Not, no.
It's crazy, man.
Younger Lume Yare na ha. A bump and now Yare can come and call us
A quack.
kill me. Cut down how much I'll maybe done. And what me only kill me. More not killing. Only kill me. Kill me, killer. They gun on William. Do come keep a cold now.
Do good.
No, man, you should kill mammy. One.
Ah, right now, no. And then I hear you keep it going.
You see? But that is not a good testimony. Very bad. It's very, very bad. But Mona, he cannot now, I do. Yeah, but what's it doing, government? You know, 2.2 million. Hey, now I'm young drum. Yeah, come here, approve, Nyaki, what's say approve or Nyaki? Shoot, I'm going to say, you are my Himaki. Mom, did you go to beg you on some most of any drone? Now, my quack, be me. Fango to my cheshire man. When I'm back in water. Second, I was in Solomon by listening. Do she have any two?
I don't pray to be that kind of listener.
No, Mamma Mukambo.
Understand?
Where's your
You
two?
know, I'm coming.
She don't know two bo. No two bo. What's somebody may have any like Vihinch, Yarrow, Quagara. May honor the heavy vacation may kai. Young below on it.
Ningin zai ura kayo man younger will lumu will buy like what ya was like lumu chen we zik wa lumu will buy like
Back you again.
I'm king bagan man am say ningin ya bam direct akan go na tumo oh the kayo ngo wasa ya kan ba
Panda call up book on
okay
Oh, tu quase yang tem caiu.
Okay.
Ore ya no mo no me go. Why? Goro wo ha se wo kuma.
Acho como TikTok.
We ne bi alo kure aka ni. Why? Anga bagon na wo kra do ga ka be etini. Ha ni go ra hire ba lo ben jero kan. Ma be o no me minga. Wo ja kan wo gana ha.
Chokwa. Tahu je.
Oria bahan, orang ni dah bakeri buku, akra patau ni biar naga. Warna akeri cokwa aga. Enggak nak tu payu berarti.
Okay, acho que eu uso como lá.
We are already.
Porque chegou cá, Carol.
Chegou cá.
I can't check a club bound with all those kind of deal in Ghana. At least that's why you're here. So you question you carry.
Yang ini hindi dah lusin church. Sama kan selalu wahai kau bakar, apa sih ni orang? Kamu, kita tempat tu. Jadi ini besar.
Okay. Jangan payah nak baca dua. Oh, sih tu je.
Bukan nak orang kacau, kena dua kacau.
Di church ni ada motor je.
Motor je.
Pan Direct. That's a strong name. Pan Direct.
Kau nengi dah orang yang kau nak, anu je kau beu.
On the cover bull away, cover to the lowest level. Wouldn't you? Who can get it going? Okay, must say much.
I even call ya next to empty square here.
You see?
I'm cow. I'm the yam plot. You get in it. What do you know? Come on, I'm more than 500,000. I'm now 1 million. You're a crank. I'm now 1 million. I was okay. Won't be there. Keep on 1 million from there. From account. She doesn't see for contract. But I got to lose some money. 1 million. I get now. 500,000. So, person I'm industrial. That no go. Kaba kana kala chakira. Gaya rent ngura bape renewing.
Na jikpa aka how much akara no for reason in a year.
No, it's one I can swat somewhere.
Making me to 500,000.
And why not?
How do you know somewhere you make that money in no time?
In no time.
In less than 6 months, we'll do 500,000, Joe. No, cannot still miss it.
Yeah, nigga, Kwana number Spaco, ya could give
Hey, she very young time in hotel.
Yellow, the raining via jail.
Always cafe.
It's like Kimmy for long via hotel question.
Now, fake, Jimmy, we can come back again with two good hotels and government car.
Yes, couple young.
Can you go?
You ever seen Benue TV? First time you ever seen like, yeah, the cost of Hotel Lucia. Yes, I did come over 3 months. Yes, I did Jira. So do see here in Benue TV. Yeah, it's up point you have cost here. Sharp, primary year like. You hotel now, Jeff then. I hear like Hotel Lucia. I think yeah. Okay, now since young choir, see young choir, sign hotel. Ye cost a room, come out room so she may am come, may am way me key, but I will way with 2.5. So I'm going to book you, Yamam, you Yamot, but he am real book you one, so cost it's target. You basically the government, Yankee, me, I can. Someone kill him. Bashimi.
Jamian deal conductant was Ganula. I was a dean, Hama, becoming a crack count with Jeff Man, who would for a tomato, or I was a man who would Aye. When Ryan is young, look at you. I don't know. How cow I'm Jeff, one father, Fan Jeff, a woman, a fan on you. One was in a call on careful now. We one restriction by Bappy, and most so called I'm a quachis. I want it. Or I don't want Gake, one of him, but so you know, young. Jeva, Guarana, he tell aeroplane with him in France. Then you again, but going to travel with me. I'm going to used to say to you, Shubag. I was all going to say to you, my book, I said to a contract. Since that time, when Avis was on Karen Jeff Perula, Avis one of going a contract when I won't do with a pound on one. How only that one yard and I hang on one that pursue Jeff. I don't know on Jay on a plate Jeff. My black, but he black marrying Elvis and Elvis on the Kimbun Yard to go and look for Jeff. And the Kimbun Yard you want more up with Jeff. So Tom Harry, you hey, I'm a baby, say Tom, and go with him and go come around the Vianney. Mom saw me consultant, I Vianney. That you young or cry, quiet is that. Hey, one fight carry where we go. I don't know it. I pay the heel. So, I became in the danger of a car, heritage cry, you know. I had a cry, you know, got all.
So not quarreling here.